Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Inshra Shahur Bhatti. Today we're going to discuss about the definition, branches and scope of geography. So let's start our topic. Basically, what is geography? The word geography derived from Greek word. So it derived from Greek word geo and graph. Geo, which means the earth, graph, which means description. In simple words, we can say that the description of the earth or the state of the earth is basically a geography, right? Geography is the study of people, mean it is the study of human beings, their activities, what type of activities they are performing. It includes agriculture, industry, settlement, construct building, manufacturing, etc. Places in which they are living, physical things within the earth. Physical things includes mountains, plants, plateaus, rivers, oceans, water, volcanoes, cyclones, etc. Hope so you will clear with it. This slide we will discuss about what we study about in geography. The first one is the physical features of the Earth's surface. It includes water, mountains, atmosphere, vegetation, rivers, etc. The second point is relationship between people and their environment. It is the most important point, how people and their environment are linked to each other. Suppose I give you an example through which you can understand easily and betterly. Suppose when the earthquake came in the environment, the people were affected by it. How they are affected? They were killed or earthquake destroyed their houses. And there is another example when people grow plants in the environment. And the third point is cultural features of the earth's surface. It includes language, religion, etc. Okay, who first time used the word geography? Eratosthenes first time used the word geography. That's why we called him the father of geography. He also calculated the Earth's circumference. Branches of geography. Basically, there are two main branches of geography: human geography, physical geography. Human geography, a field of geography that deals with human presence, उसकी मौजूदगी, human की activities, what type of activities? It includes agriculture, construct building, manufacturing, industry, and settlement, and their impact on the natural environment. It is the important point, the impact of people on the natural environment. How? For example, the people grow plants on the environment, so it has good impact. It also includes deforestation, pollution. Okay, examples: languages. You know that every country has their own language. Food. Every people or human being eat different food in different provinces or different country. Culture. Everyone has their own culture. Suppose Punjab has their own culture, Sindh has their own culture. Religion. Every country has their own religion. Suppose Pakistan religion is Islam. Physical geography. A field of geography is the study of physical features of the earth. Physical features include plateau, lakes, islands, oceans, mountain peaks, valleys, glacier, mountain ranges, rivers, hills, plants, etc. Example: lithosphere. Lithosphere is the skin of the earth. What is it? Skin of the earth. Hydrosphere. Water includes water. Water, about 71% of earth is covered with water. So water is very essential for the human beings and plants too. Atmosphere, in which air is present. In air, there are carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas, oxygen are present. So it is necessary for oxygen and carbon dioxide, is very essential for the plants as well as human beings. Biosphere, in which all living organisms are includes. It may be plants, animals, or microorganisms. Scope of geography. It is the last slide. Scope of geography is the very essential. Geography is the oldest branch of science, so we call it as grandmother of all sciences. There are various types of scopes in geography. Geography has two main fields: physical geography, human geography. Physical geography, in which physical features are studied. Human geography, in which we study about the human needs, their impact, their presence, and their interaction to the environment. Right? Physical geography has subfields. It has scope in geomorphology. Geomorphology, in which we study about the structure of the earth. What is the structure of the earth? It may be plain area or it may be mountainous area, etc. The next scope in climatology. Climatology, in which we study about the climate, climate changes, and the effect of climate on biosphere. Meteorology, in which we study about the weather. So remember, climatology and meteorology, they are two different types. Okay, climatology, in which we study about the climate, and meteorology, in which we discuss about the weather. What is difference between climate and weather? It is the important one. Climate is a long period time. Long period time. It includes seasons like summer, winter, autumn, spring. Weather. Weather is a short period time, right? It may be rainy season or sunny. Means today, if today is sunny, then maybe tomorrow is the rainy season. Okay. Oceanography, in which we study about the oceans. Biogeography. Biogeography, in which we study about the flora and fauna, means plants and animals and microorganisms. Okay. Then the soil geography, in which we study about the soil. We can also call it as pedology. Pedology is also the study of soil. Okay. Then the astronomical geography. Astronomical geography, study of astronomical objects. It includes galaxies, planets, moons, stars, etc. In simple words, we can say that the study of the whole universe, right, including the earth, is the astronomical geography. Anthropogeography. Anthropogeography is basically the relationship between human communities, culture, and their interaction with the environment. Then the cultural geography, in which we study about the culture of different nations. For example, religion, languages, different cultures. Every different nation have different cultures. You know this. Social geography. Social geography, in which we study about the relationship between societies and space. Population geography, in which we discuss about the population distribution and the patterns of population and the growth of population. Okay, where is the population is greater, where is lower, etc. Economic geography, in which we study about the economic activities and the factor affecting them. For example, the geography of agriculture, industrial geography, the geography of services, etc. Political geography, in which we study about the political features. We will discuss about also study about the boundaries and regions of the states. Okay. Then the historical geography, in which we study about the geographies of the past, and we also study how past represented the geography of the present. Then the settlement geography, in which in which we study the how Earth's surface settled by the human. Okay. Then the urban geography, in which we study about the cities. Then the rural geography, in which we study about the villages. So that's all about the scope of geography. Hopefully you all will understand it betterly. If you have any query, you can ask it. Thank you.